The weekend 2024, it's going down. The Rock the Boat Weekend Cruise, May 23rd through 24th. The weekend. Get on the list. We have interiors, $454 per person. Ocean view, $514 per person. Balcony, $584 per person. It's a 4-day weekend with a 3-day cruise. If you are not on the list, get on the list. $25 secures your spot. Get on the list for the weekend, 4-day weekend, May 23rd through 24th, hosted by Fly for 44, managed and organized Rock the Boat birthday cruise for the Get on the list. We're ready to rock the boat and want you all aboard.